Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of Escape Velocity's OnShape tutorials. Today we're going to be teaching you how to use the FTC parts library. First, I want to give thanks to FTC team number 2901, the Purple Gears from Cardinal Gilbert High School in Raleigh, who made this possible. The FTC parts library is just a group of parts from multiple FTC manufacturers, which is going to make it easier for you to import stuff into your parts studio. In order to get started, first send an email to first@ptc.com and ask them to add you to the FTC parts library. We'll put a link to their email in the description. Once you've gotten access, you're going to create a new parts studio and go to the insert button over here. Click insert. Then you're going to, in your home section, you're going to see the FTC robotics parts users show up. Click on that. Now we're just going to import something simple, a motor from GoBuildup. We'll go down here, click on the part, and then from here, instead of staying in parts studios, we're going to go to assemblies. Now click on it, and boom, here it is. And there, now you've done it. Your own motor in OnShape. Thank you for your time, and I hope you come back for another Escape Velocity OnShape tutorial. Thanks to all of our sponsors, Meta, Boeing, Micron, and others. Polymaker 2. We'll put a link in the description below to support them, and also check them out in our ending card. Thank you guys. Love y'all.